Introducing Adtivate. Adtivate is our new and powerful WordPress plugin that allows you to monetize your sites with the #1 most proven monetization strategy used by all the biggest and most profitable sites online: banner advertising. Yup, we've created the fastest and easiest way to create, add, manage and deploy offers on your sites via the power of banner ads in under 60 seconds. With Adtivate you'll be able to turn any site. Let me show you how easy it is to create and deploy high-converting offers to your sites with Adtivate. Once you have Adtivate you'll be able to quickly and easily turn your sites into profit-producing machines just like the big boys do. Secure your 73% discount and exclusive bonuses today. Grab instant access to Adtivate today. Powered by Zoo. Huge 73% discount, limited time bonuses minus 30-day guarantee. Let's walk through all of the amazing features at your fingertips with Adtivate. Huge, limited time bonus. Quickly and easily create your offers using our built-in ad creator with a ton of proven templates. Choose between pop-up or banner ads. With pop-up ads you can choose from multiple different triggers to maximize profit. You can also upload an image ad or create a custom ad using the WYSIWYG editor. Add an attention-grabbing border to your ads. Add your offer link to ensure you get paid. Add an entrance animation to grab immediate attention. Add periodic animations to your offers at any time to get even more clicks. Add an exit animation to grab attention one last time. Position your offers at the top, the bottom or set to a random spot. Make your offers sticky so that they're always on screen to maximize your profit. Include and exclude your offers based on geolocation to maximize conversions. Set an automatic start time and end time if you're selling ad space on your sites. Set ads to stop automatically based on total # of clicks or total # of daily clicks. Set ads to stop automatically based on total # of impressions or total # of daily impressions. Create group of offers that will be automatically rotated on your sites, so you find which offers convert the best to maximize profit. Automatically rotate ads in a group to avoid banner blindness and maximize profit. Automatically turn keywords within your content into clickable offers to generate even more profit. Leverage our shortcode feature to have your offers show up when your readers reach a specific part of your content. Built-in bad user blocking mechanism so your ads do not show to bot traffic. Built to bypass ad blockers so you can always maximize your profit. Get full impression, clicks, click-through rate and location stats for your offers to quickly turn off the losers and push all traffic to the winners. Talk about awesome, right? We have literally created the best WP plugin that allows you to create, add, manage and deploy high-converting offers to your sites in record speed. Adtivate is perfect for affiliate marketers, CPA marketers, agencies, commerce blogs, digital marketers, authors, service providers, and everything in between. Pretty much, if you have a WordPress site and you want your site to make more profit, you need Adtivate. And now you're probably wondering, Josh, this is amazing, but how much? And trust us, we struggled with this as well. Why? Well, because, at first, we know how much we can sell this for out in public arena. Plus we've truly made this easy, simple and fast for all users to add high-converting offers to their sites. Even the most newbie WordPress user can use our plugin to activate offers on their sites. It's truly that good. Before Adtivate, you only had pretty much two options. Option #1. Spend thousands of dollars and months of time hiring a developer to have a custom plugin built for you. Option #2. Purchase one of the extremely expensive ad plugins already on the market that only do a portion of what Adtivate does. Heck, let's actually take a look at some of these options. Option #1. Tribulant Banner Rotator. $34 for just a one-site license with only 1 year of updates, and it does not come with a banner creator like Adtivate. Option #2. Ads Pro plugin. $57 for just a one-site license with only 6 months worth of support, and it does not come with a banner creator like Adtivate. Option #3. WP Ad Center. $47 per year for a one-site license, and it does not come with a banner creator like Adtivate. As you can see, we could have easily charged between $37 minus $57 for just a one-site license, and sold it all day long to the mass public market. Heck, we could have also easily charged a monthly fee and/or yearly fee for an extended sites license like those competitors as well. Especially since we know how vital it is to be able to quickly and easily display ads on your sites. Plus, when you create your account today, you'll also be securing these amazing bonuses. Bonus 1. Exclusive 5-site license for free. $200 value. This alone is a massive bonus that we could have easily charged extra for. Especially when our competitors are charging the same amount that we're charging for a single site license. And not a single one of our competitors has a built-in ad creator to quickly and easily create your ads within minutes. You must act fast though, because this 5-site license bonus is extremely limited. This is way too valuable of a bonus to keep up after our launch. Bonus 2. Access to our built-in banner creator. $97 value. This is another feature that we could have easily sold as its own upgrade. Heck, we even had it all planned out already for it to be its own upgrade. We had our whole sales page written up and everything. We were going to sell it for between $67 minus $97. However, during this limited time launch special, you get to secure our banner creator feature as a free bonus. This will allow anyone to go from creation to deployment of high-converting offers to your sites in record time. Plus, our built-in templates make everything even easier to use. Bonus 3. Agency rights included, so you can monetize your clients' sites too. $497 value. It's not just your sites that need to be monetized, right? If you run an agency, then it's also extremely important to maximize the profit that your client sites make. The only way that clients will keep hiring you for your services is if you're able to deliver results. Leveraging Adtivate on your client sites is one of the easiest and fastest ways you can increase their sales. And we know that we could have easily sold this as an upgrade for $297, $497 or more. Especially if you land just one client that signs up with you at $500 a month. That would more than pay for your agency rights. However, you get it as a free bonus for signing up today. Bonus 4. Geo-targeting feature to skyrocket conversions by displaying the most relevant ads by location. $97 value. This is easily one of our most powerful features for skyrocketing your conversions. Our geo-targeting feature allows you to get super targeted with the ads that are shown on your sites based on your visitor's location. This is also powerful for your client sites as well. If your client only services specific areas, or has different specials discounts for certain locations, you'll be able to utilize our geo-targeting feature to get really targeted with your offers. This is another feature we could have easily sold as its own upgrade because of how powerful it is. Talk about some insanely awesome bonuses, right? Yup, we have really stepped the value up on this one. And you can get access to everything we just mentioned above at the crazy, discounted, one-time price you see below. Yup, 0 monthly fees. All you have to do now is choose the package that's right for you. Light. 1 2-site license. Access to all banner types. Access to pop-up overlay ads. Access to keyword to ads feature. Access to bot traffic blocker. Full traffic stats of banners. Access to automatic start-stop feature. Access to 1 year of updates. Unlimited access to our tech support. Bonus, access to our built-in banner creator. Bonus, access to geo-targeting feature. Bonus, agency license to be able to use on client sites. Normally $77 month. Get it now for the one-time discount you see below. Zamora Lite 15. Most value. Pro agency. 1.5 site license. Access to all banner types. Access to pop-up overlay ads. Access to keyword to ads feature. Access to bot traffic blocker. Full traffic stats of banners. Access to automatic start-stop feature. Access to 1 year of updates. Unlimited access to our tech support. Bonus, access to our built-in banner creator. Bonus, access to geo-targeting feature. Bonus, agency license to be able to use on client sites. Normally $97 month. Get it now for the one-time discount you see below. Zamora Agency 50. And of course, we also have a 30-day, double your money back guarantee. Yup, we're so confident in how powerful and how much value Adtivate can provide to your business that we're willing to put our money where our mouth is. That's why we're doing a double your money back guarantee. Just show us that you put Adtivate into action in your business, and if it doesn't do everything we said it would do, we will, without hesitation, give you double your money back. At this point there's not much else to say. You either want to be able to quickly create and add offers to your sites, or you don't. You either want to maximize the profit that your sites make, or you don't. You either want to have access to the easiest and fastest ways to monetize your sites, or you don't. You either want to pick up Adtivate at the best possible price and value that you will ever see it at, or you don't. However, if you do want to pick up the best, fastest and easiest plugin to deploy high-converting offers to your sites at the best price you'll ever see it at, I highly recommend picking up your copy now.